Greetings to all. In today's class, we are going to learn how to change the shape of 3D objects by moving their edge lines. Here, we will use some of the Move tool functions that allow us easily manipulate object shape instead of their positions. So, now let's get started with the toy house module. We are going to use this model to learn how to use Move tool. First, we select Rectangle tool, draw a 1000 by 1000 square centimeter square. Since the template we use is meter, we need to input numbers with unit of centimeter. Next, we select the Push and Pull tool and pull the square to 600 centimeter high. Then we select Line tool to draw a line in the middle of the top face of our cube. Next, with the Move tool, we click this middle line. Now hit the up arrow key on the keyboard since we want the line to move upward. We input 360 cm and press enter to move this middle line 350 centimeters above its original position. Next, we select the Line tool again. Hover mouse to the sideline, where we can see there appears a red point, which means that our new line is going to start over the line where we are hovering. We choose a proper point, click on it, and draw a vertical line ending on the other sideline. And now, with the Pull and Push tool, we pull the bigger part to 350 centimeters. Now, we need to make the two top faces to have the same slope. So, how to do that? First, we select the Move tool and click on the line. Press the up or down arrow key on the keyboard, and then we drag the mouse up and down. So we can see the slope of the face varies with the movement of the mouse. To make this face have the same slope as the rest of the roof, we just hover the mouse to the adjoining face. We can see there appears a notification that says Constraint on Line Intersect Plane. Now, click left mouse button, we can see the two faces now have the same slope. Then we finish this part by deleting the unnecessary lines. Although today we learn new applications for the Move tool, there is still more function to discover. We will learn them in the next classes. Let's stop learning for now. Goodbye.